Hello, my people. How na day? Also, na day fine. Na good morning, good afternoon, na good evening. I greet everybody from Untouchable Mama. My people, this video, I will put the full video. More na listening to wetin happen to this our brother. He say if I dey for Austria, so they call deport and go house. So when you reach house, that just delete you. I listen to everything, but I want just bring small out, more than then I'll put the full video, more than listening. If I dey Austria, in there for church, he called the name of the church. So when they deport and go home, so the pastor where the church when they go, because it be like saying they be that kind somebody will still dey important for that church. So the pastor can't call and can't say, you not fit just dey house like that since they don't deport you. Whether you get small money for house, may you look for somebody for you where you go do this to marry now, so that he go fit come back Austria again. He say content and saying get small money, but he go find joiner to do the wetin he want do. So it be like say something, everything not be like say everything can't go like up and it can't turn upside down. So my people, me I just a little thing now I want just talk about these things. This our brother cry come out, he say he want justice. My brother, my people, more than no verse, so now so me I tell they talk my because this time around we koro for everywhere. So before you go remove one arrow come off for your pocket, you go think twice. You know why? Especially when, because he don't stay for abroad for 5 years, he say I think 5 million I say he spend from this marriage. So the woman can't really come, they can't go do the marriage for house. So the problem now, he carried all the documents go embassy, say go look for visa. So the content say remain working permit of the woman. Because everybody know, if you want to do anything for abroad, if you not get working permits, say maybe you get contract of, don't be say you get contract 6 months, 1 year, they're not even listening to you. Or maybe you want to do anything, they'll say maybe it get the amount when you go get for your bank account before they'll even answer you. Okay, this our brother now, he go do marriage. You know, ask the woman whether he get a contract, whether he get a working permit, whether he get work, you know, ask him. He go do marriage for Nigeria. After when everything come turn upside down now, he come they put the blame for the pastor head. More than no vessel. I don't know the pastor, I don't know this our brother. What it make me talk about this matter? I don't like some people and they put all blame to one person when something go wrong. When something go wrong, they'll come put all the blame, put am for the person head. You when want do marry, when want come out money for pocket, person introduce you, say see this person go fit help you. Why you not find out? Not to say because you trust that person. Now you they bring the money come out. Now you work the money. Now you know whether the money pay you the time when you want bring and come out. Why you not find out? You don't feel put blame for one person head. Still carry your own blame. Say, you blame yourself. You wrong, go do marriage. When you never go ask embassy which document they need before you bring everything come out. Whether the woman get her or not get her. Because that man now, that pastor now, he introduced you to this woman. Now understand? He introduced you to that woman. So now you, when want pay the money, now you now go come find that whether the woman are real or not be real, or whether the woman are real, but the document not complete. Because some of our people, they too they put blame for person here, say now you cause her, now you do her, now you bring her come. No, he help you. This one na help. He help you. You when want commode the money for pocket, you have to investigate. You know, investigate. You carry your money. You tell they do marriage. You tell they do this one. Now you come they cry house. Say they say may go sell the house. May you take come abroad. Why you not find out before you do something? What did they really need for that embassy? Maybe now they still need the working permit. Now they come still tell you say the woman has no big rich. You know if come. If they happen, you must find out what they need first before you they shook your head, shook your money for waiting you know say you not go get head tomorrow. And later they'll come they blame another person saying another person cause her. Still take your whole blame for inside. I'll put the video more than watch on my people, more than help me still share and I'll do well. Now bye bye.
Good morning, everybody. Abeg o, my name na Williams. I don cry come meet una meet the whole Nigeria wey dey everywhere una dey when I hear this video. Abeg, make una help me share am and make una help me fight for justice o. I wan tell everybody how Pastor Godwin Nwachukwu Kiodo of Shiloh Ministry, Vienna, Austria, wey call himself Demon Tormentor, how Pastor Godwin Nwachukwu Kiodo of Shiloh Ministry take use this woman here so Pat Ediza for Germany take dupe me money in respect say they wan carry me come back to Europe. I stay for Austria for 5 years. Inside these 5 years, I work follow Pastor Godwin Nwachukwu Kiodo of Shiloh Ministry for that church. So na me be Pastor Godwin drummer. Nobody will not know me for Vienna. My name na Williams Edosa for that church there. Nobody will not know me. So they deport me 2019 June 26 come Nigeria. After they deport me 6 days of it, so Pastor Godwin Nwachukwu Kiodo of Shiloh Ministry come call me, tell me say, okay, now wetin be my next step to do now since I don come house. I told her say, sir, as e be here so I get small money wey follow me come, so I wan take am take do business. So he come say, business, say me for Nigeria, so what I go fit stay Nigeria, no be as Nigeria be. So say no, say he get the way he want to help me now. Say he go Germany, go meet one woman. He say the woman na his daughter. So now say, I'm waiting to be this woman. They say the woman name na Pat Ediza, wey dey for Germany. See, this one na her name. See her address. Yeah, see the woman address. For Pat Ediza. See her here. So now say, okay. He say, there's no need for me to just do business. If I do business now, and if I can't come back to Europe, who want to help me to look the business? Say my family go chop the money. Whether not be the money when I carry come away, why I no see so. Now say, okay. I will want to do. I say so. The woman go come follow me do contract marriage. Say make I pay the woman. Say sharply before 6 months or 1 year. I yes if it's too much 1 year. Say I don't come back to Europe. Now say okay. Due to say me I don't work follow Pastor Godwin for 5 years for Austria. So for Shiloh Ministry, now me be Shiloh Ministry, the drummer for Shiloh Ministry there for Vienna, Austria. Now me be the drummer. Who know me very well know me. My name now be Williams Edosa for that church for Shiloh Ministry. Na me dey play band. I believe say many people know me. Say na me dey follow Pastor Godwin Nwachukwu Kiodo for Shiloh Ministry there for Austria. So based on the trust as my pastor, as my prophet, when I dey call am then, so now me I take agree for am. I come say okay, but pastor see I no get money o reach like that. See wetin the woman tell me. The woman say 3 million naira. After me and Pat don't talk. So that Pastor God come tell me say, man, no worry. Say whether my senior brother no get money, make I ask him. Like I say, okay, na truth. I can't go meet my senior brother, come borrow money from that one. I can't lie for my family. Say, see. They can't give me that money. Now call Pastor God. Say, okay, now they don't give me the money. So okay, may I call the woman again? Now I call the woman. May the woman can't talk. She can't say August. That 2019. Say she go come Nigeria. Say okay, what I go do? Make I just buy a ticket now. Then make I send her money. 1 point. Say make I sell her 2 million. Because I say money will deal with me now. Okay, I will give you 1.9 million naira today. Then once you just come, I'll send you the other 1 million. She can say okay, say everything will be 3 million naira. Now I say no wahala. I come buy the ticket. I call Pastor Godwin Nwachukwu Kiodo. Now he tell me say, may I send her the money? Start I go take send her. I say okay, fine. They can't send me account number. I can't pay everything. Put when I pay, I still call Pastor Godwin. Say, Pastor Godwin, see you. I don't pay the money. Pastor Godwin can say, okay, no wahala. Say anything for that month. Say him could show me. Now can say okay. Inside that August, then the woman can come Nigeria. Him and Pastor Godwin, they can't go worry. Pastor Godwin can come and go Jeremiah Church for worry. So they can't call me. Now can go meet them. Then we can't talk. So I can't come back Benin then. The following 2 days of it, the woman can come. We can't do the registry. See the certificate here. na for already do for go do am. See am. Okunbo Edori Sagmo and Ediza part. So now we gather do am for there. See am. So now general for do am. See the marriage registry where we do am. See am o. So after we finish everything wey this woman wear, yes, so this garment, everything, yes, so now me pay everything, all our expenses, everything. That's that money when I spend for this way, Pastor Godwin make me spend, borrow, join money when I borrow, everything now 5 million naira. But wetin I need make the world help me. The 3 million naira wey this man when I pay for their account, I beg make the world help me fight and come and make them give me that money so that I go fit return where for collect 2 million naira give them back. So after we finish everything, now we can't go. Then they can't come out. Me, I can't dey Benin. 2 years, I no see anything. 2019 come pass, nothing. 2020 can't reach. Embassy call me. I can't go meet embassy. Embassy go tell me say, where my wife paper, where are low settle, where are document, everything. Now I call the woman. You give me paper, give me this document. I take go submit. She go say, na so today. Tomorrow, man, no worry, she go send everything come. I can say, okay. Now I got to call Pastor Godwin. Say, Pastor Godwin, we want Chukwu Kiyodu of Shiloh Ministry. After this woman parted, these are where you break up for me. When me and she can do this contract marriage, the one promise me. The thing no they go like that. Oh, he didn't say, wait, I said, okay, the woman no give me a document, no low settle, nothing. Then 2020, Pastor Godwin, we want Chukwu Kiyodu, come call me, saying they worry, I come meet for worry. See, now this paper, Pastor Godwin bring up for me, oh. He say he go meet the woman for Germany. See, I say see all the paper where the district break up for me. The woman paper document where the woman give and say, and one of them be this one. May I still put the other side. See, now all this thing, Pastor Godwin, I go pack this woman. This paper come from Pat Ediza hand, come from me. Say he go Germany, go meet Pat Ediza. Say so Ediza can't give am all these papers. See, now wait till Pastor Godwin bring come for me be all this one. So make I dey open am at the see am. He say make I take go apply for embassy. You see na the document wey they need for embassy na be all this one. So whereas no low settle for inside here, no working permit for here. I was okay. Now this one be the paper. He say yes. Say make I take go submit. Now I can say okay. See am. So all the paper wey Pastor God dey bring come for me. Oh, see there, yeah. This one also. And this one. Now Pastor Godwin I bring all of them come for me. Pastor Godwin of Shiloh Ministry, Vienna, Austria. See, now then be all this one. Then see the woman passport page. This one our passport page. These are parts where Pastor Godwin want Chukwu Kiyodu of Shiloh Ministry. Use the dupe me this money. This one still there among. So now Kotla say, so Papa, okay, you say if I go carry this thing, go embassy, they go give me the something now, they say yes. So I can't go again. When I can't go, I got to pay for document verification. See here. See my name, Okunbo Edori Sagmo. Document verification. I pay, yeah, this one first now the visa fee. When I pay, then this one for the document verification. So when I still repay again 150,000 naira, see, it's day for embassy. There with all these people, Pastor Godwin, when I suffer, follow, make me lose. Now carry those paper take go submit to. I don't know say na fake paper. Now Pastor Godwin bring up for me. See all these things, everything are fake. I don't know. I can't carry and go. Later they come got to send me on that letter again. Tell me say they no see the working permit. They no see low settle for there. Make I tell my woman for Germany. Make she bring those things come give them for office. Now I can call Pat Ediza. Then I say Pat Ediza see wetin they talk o. She say okay make I wait. No. She wan call lawyer. Now I still call my own pastor Godwin wan Chukwu Kiyodu of Shiloh Ministry. Say Papa see o. He can say okay say make I wait make him call Pat Ediza. Now he call Pat Ediza. I don't know wetin their two talk. So later now Pat na she no dey gree dey pick my call. Pastor Godwin no dey gree dey pick my call. Me I can't dey like that. So now now somebody call me from Kiyodu Church for Pastor Godwin wan Chukwu from Shiloh Ministry. Come tell me say make I come online say he wan talk to me. Now come online, they call Pastor Godwin Jenamo. What's the prophet? What is the problem now? Wetin make them no give? Wetin make this boy never fit come Europe? He say, CRCB, the woman no get working permit, the woman no get this one. I say, sir, now you introduce me to this woman, and I ask you, now you bring me all these documents come from Austria, come from Germany. You say na part these are documents, but I say make I use us to go do the interview. Now I say because me I don't know Patediza or this Patediza, so now Pastor Godwin Nwachukwu Kiodu of Shiloh Ministry now make me know Patediza. Now he introduce her for me, say make I take and do contract marriage. Say I go come back to you, I can resume my church activities. Now I say okay, now make me take put money for this thing, no go borrow money to do this thing. I don't know say Pastor Godwin says na 419 wan play me oh, Mona hear me the whole world, Mona help me oh. I don't know say na 419 this man wan play me like this so. I don't know, I beg you, the whole world, Mona hear my crowd. Now Pastor God they tell me say na so the woman she no get working permit, she no get low settle. Now the person will call me up, Pastor God say, prophet. But now you show this boy to Edosa. He say yes. That's okay. Now, Papa, since this thing don't be like this now, I want to get my money back. Or what's the next option to do? I feel call Pat for start this thing. So Pat want tell me, Pat say, God forbid, if anything happen to me, say she get right to go to collect my house, so she call the stay for my house. I say for waiting. I say now you are Pastor God, you go the plan. So now so now me Pastor God go as we call the talk for the side the matter and I say okay I want to do this thing now Pastor God say Pat no go see money bring up for me say the only solution to do for me now shey me and Pat talk that day Pat tell me say me I go sell my house now say yes na wetin Pat tell me o now Pastor God tell me say okay now the only best thing we go do for me I go sell my house or me I go carry loan with my house for 2.5 million make I come give am him get document wey he wan bring up for me from Greece or from Bahamas, may I take come back to Europe again. Now I say, Papa, I no get money. The one when I don't first spend, wait the money, the thing no work. I say, now you make me know this woman. How come now? Because they tell me say everything na 419 na fake. I say, Papa, so now you go give me my money. Pastor God will begin send me message, say destruction go fall for my head, no be my head. Now so this and that. Say the whole thing na fake. Anything when I want do, I go do am. Say me I dey Nigeria for here, in dey Europe. Say so me I no fit do there anything. That's why me I dey cry come out to Mona help me oh. I beg see the woman address here. See her address. Frau Patediza. See the woman address. Make it show where Frau Patediza, Johannes Kirchnerstrasse 83. 81927 Michin. I beg this thing, the word when I help me look at this thing so na low set where Pastor Godwin Nwachukwu of Shiloh Ministry can't give me say my take go do visa. Person when I call my own prophet or my own spiritual father and I dupe me like this so see this thing a document. All this one a document. All these things na document. Also no be pieces of paper where Pastor Godwin can't give me. Now for Mercy Land, now for give me all this paper for Mercy Land. See my computer for Mercy Land. I bring all this sticker for me for Mercy Land there. I beg, Mona help me fight this man. I beg, oh. I beg, I need my money, oh. Mona help me talk to Pastor Godwin. Now, Pastor Godwin don't put juju for me. They talk to me again. Man for bring money. Say, I go sell my house. I beg, I don't want to sell my house, so I beg, Mona help me. In a part, these are. They don't put something for mouth. They follow me. They talk. Say, man, I can't sell my house. Make a 2.5 million loan. May they forgive me another visa. I beg go. Mona help me fight. Oh, Mona help me fight. My 3 million way I pay for Pastor Godwin. Make he give me my money. Pastor Godwin Nwachukwu of Shiloh Ministry na scam. Vienna na scam. Oh, na 419. I beg. Mona help me out. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.